welcome back to another video. This video is an unboxing slash review. Are you ready? Yay, look at how cute this is. I can't wait to show you guys. So here's the name of it. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it and I don't want to butcher it, but it is quite the beautiful lamp. So let's get into unboxing this baby and turning it on. What I like about this lamp is that it is a chargeable lamp, and so you can put it anywhere and not have to worry about the cord. Alright, let's see. Oh, and it has 3 colors. I forgot about that because I picked gold, but there's gold, silver, and black. Can you see that? And because it's flowers and I'm in a flower mood, can you see my beautiful flowers over there? I just thought it would be really cute with my aesthetic, as my best friend would say, or my niche, which is very like whimsical, romantic. I don't want to say Roman and Victorian because I don't feel like my aesthetic is that to that extreme, but there's like hints of that in my house, so I think that this will look amazing in it. So it's very well packaged. I can't wait. I'm opening it with you guys. I mean, I saw it online, but I wanted to wait and open it with you guys. It's so pretty. It's like a rose gold. You guys, look at how beautiful it is. I love it. I get giddy like this when I decorate my house. So look at this. It's so cute and dainty. It looks like a little flower. Can you see? This lamp is cordless, and what I really like about it is it has 3 dimming sessions. And when you do charge it, it has a USB-C, and I believe it takes about 4 to 6 hours to charge, but then you have it for like more than 24 hours worth of light. And so me, especially as like a content creator, if I wanted like light in a different background, I don't have to worry about extra cords. I just bring it in like this. So I like that as well, and it's just so pretty. Also, it's super lightweight. Like, I feel like I'm carrying my phone, honestly. So I don't know if I should be concerned. Is the phone too heavy or is the lamp just really light? But I just really love this lamp. You can use it as a table lamp. You can use it as a vanity lamp. I mean, there's so many ways to use this lamp. I absolutely love it. So hopefully you guys check it out. It's gonna be in the description box below. I love it. Let's put it here and see how it looks, okay? Am I showing this right or not? I don't know. But doesn't it look cute, you guys? I'm gonna film it at night so you can see how it looks at night. I'll do like a little bloop somewhere on the screen. But yeah, this is a short video. I just wanted to do a cute little unboxing, and I wanted you to see some of my new decor pieces because for the new year, one of my goals was to reinvent or upgrade my place. I've been here for 3 years now. And the first year, I was just saving money. Like, I literally had maybe my bed and my chair. And it was a lot of editing as well. And then the second year, I started investing in, like, large pieces. I did my office. I did my closet. If you guys want an apartment tour, just let me know. I also made a gym. And so this is, like, going on my 3rd year in March. So now, after I have all the big structure pieces, now I kind of want to detail it a little bit more to my aesthetic. And I'm saying that a lot because my best friend, she makes fun of me all the time about how I'm very nitpicky about my aesthetic and how I am very cutthroat. Like, I either love it or I hate it. But when it comes to this lamp, I love it. So if you guys are interested in this lamp, I will link it down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Besos!